I'm Sujit from Progressive, and I head up our mold monitoring platform. We hear from tooling engineers fairly commonly that they have difficulty managing all of their tools and all of the activity associated with those tools. At a moment's notice, when they need information, it's hard for them to get their hands on that data. They get questions such as, where's the mold design? Do I have the most recent prints? Are PMs being followed? Or even as simple as, where is my mold? Well, this is why we developed ProFile at Progressive. ProFile is a simple asset management solution that allows you to manage your molds and all the activity related to it. It also gives you the ability to manage all of your auxiliary equipment, end-of-arm tooling, and any other asset that you might want to have some sort of oversight on. So let's start with a quick tour of the dashboard.
The ProFile dashboard allows users to see all of their assets broken down by asset class in a simple view. It also shows preventive maintenance status for all assets that have been assigned maintenance tasks. Further drilling down into the data, a user can see a complete listing of all of their assets and the asset details in a list view. Drilling into specific assets such as a mold, a user can now look at all of the asset-specific information, manage preventive maintenance and work orders, as well as upload pictures, scanned QR codes for providing last location, as well as use documents folders for sharing files easily, as well as document storage. Similar to a mold, other assets can be added to the system, and each page can be customized for that type of asset, providing one single solution for all your asset management needs.
That's all that's needed to start capturing data and information about your molds and assets. From there, you can start running reports or lists using ProFile as a standalone system, or by exporting data into your ERP or mold management systems. ProFile is surprisingly affordable and can consolidate all of your assets and tooling into a single platform. To arrange a conversation, contact me and we'll discuss how you can start to gain a profile of your tooling and assets.